Our system has more types of modifiers. Let's look at the next one. Sell the steak tenderloin. Here it is. What happens? We get the typical question. How do you want your steak? Rare, medium, well done. Let's do medium. And what was this? This was the time modifier. Because remember, the system is connected with the KDS system, the kitchen display system, and there is a production time on each and every item. So we need to know to make this production time lower or higher. And also this information here is very practical because this goes with the item to the KDS. So how is this configured? Let's check what kind of item this tenderloin is. Right click and button properties. This is a standard pluke. It's a standard item, it's not a recipe. So let's go and find this recipe. And again, shall we jump into back office? And let's go out of the recipe card. And now we're going to go into the hospitality items list. And we are going to find the tenderloin. This is the number. Let's go into the card. So we are on the hospitality item card. There is a difference between hospitality item card and item cards. There are some hospitality related things on this one, of course. So what are we looking at here? We're going to go to master data. Here we see item modifiers and text modifiers. Item modifiers we looked at, remember, with the recipe. If it would be an item with modifiers, we would have looked at that here. But we are going to go into time modifiers for this tenderloin. So go in here. And similar as before, we have the steak time. If you enlarging this, you see more information. This is a steak time. How do you want your steak? And again, you can go to related, a little bit deep, I know, info code, other, and cart. And there you see the options. And here you see the minuses in minutes or pluses in minutes. So medium in this setup is no change. So yes, doesn't that ring a bell? It's the same thing as we saw. So this is how easy it is to configure. Just a nice little important feature in the hospitality system.